torch in a room full of silence and sparks with a toxic storm trying to swallow my heart. Crushed by the past, but I flipped every scar. Now I'm buying my pain in the armor in charge. No sleep when the mission's echoing loud. My brothers laugh, cuts to the clouds. Got blueprints drawn in the back of my mind. Hydrogen burning like purpose defined. They see a kid, I see a lab in my chest. With every breath, feeling ghosts from regret. This is ghost mode when the world wants to go. When I swap my stars for systems out compose. I don't run, I reprogram the storm. Every fall's just fuel for the next form. Repulsors dreaming, mind still scheming. Soon it resolve with the core still beaming. You can't crush what already broke through. Ghost mode initiated, and I'm coming through. Taught by Shelby, inspired by Stark. I hold blue fire in a childlike heart. Pressure builds, then I channel the tide. Turn arousal to art. Paint to design, no workshop. I still prototype time. Cardboard plates with quantum inside. When the urge tries to break my control, I hit reset with the miracle.
I breathe in static, exhale the flame. Each setback stitched into my name.
This ain't escape, it's precision rewired. A slow burn, arcing circuits inspired. This is ghost mode, no nauseous code. Where I silence the chaos and light the node. I don't crack, I collide with control. Every fall's just heat for the soul to mold. Micro spark, phrased imagination laced. Stealing my step, pulse in its place. I won't fail, cause I forge right through. Ghost mode initiated, my truth, my suit.